Crystals are powerful energetic tools, but many people experience a moment when their crystal feels silent, dull, or disconnected. A crystal that once radiated energy suddenly stops responding. Understanding why this happens and how to restore its power is essential for anyone using crystals for manifestation, healing, intuition, or spiritual practices. Stay till the end for deeper insights, and if this knowledge supports you, like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. The true nature of crystal energy. Crystals are not lifeless objects. They are natural frequency holders, energetic memory systems, and transmitters shaped by the earth across millions of years. Every time you use a crystal, you imprint emotion, intention, and energy into it. When that storage becomes full or cluttered, the crystal stops responding. Your vibration also evolves, and when your frequency changes faster than the crystal's programming, the connection weakens. The crystal is not failing, it is simply mismatched to your updated energy. Energetic overload and saturation. One of the main reasons crystals stop working is energetic overload. Crystals absorb vibrations from you, your environment, other people, and emotional experiences. Over time, they accumulate energetic residue. When this buildup reaches saturation, the crystal's natural flow becomes blocked. Emotional crystals like rose quartz, rhodonite, and amethyst can absorb layers of grief, stress, or heart wounds until they lose their natural softness and clarity. A saturated crystal feels heavy, dull, or energetically numb. Misalignment of purpose and intention. Crystals store intention like a program. When your life direction, emotional state, or manifestation goal changes, but the crystal still holds the old intention, it becomes stagnant. The crystal is tuned to a past version of you. If the purpose and the present vibration do not match, the crystal becomes inactive. This is not a malfunction, it simply needs reprogramming. Environmental frequency interference. Crystals can shut down when surrounded by chaotic energy, electronic fields, or emotionally unstable spaces. They absorb disharmony until their internal frequency becomes distorted. Some crystals protect themselves by temporarily closing their vibration. Especially when exposed to negativity or conflict. They go silent to avoid energetic damage. Dormancy due to lack of interaction. Crystals activate through touch, presence, intention, and energy exchange. When ignored or placed aside for too long, they enter a dormant state. Dormant crystals are not dead, they are simply waiting for reconnection. Signs your crystal has stopped working. A blocked or inactive crystal has clear signals. You may feel no sensation when holding it. Meditation with it becomes foggy or unclear. Its energy feels heavy instead of vibrant. Your room may feel dull even with the crystal present. You may intuitively avoid the crystal because your frequency senses the block. Understanding the energetic shutdown. Inside a crystal's atomic structure is a geometric pattern that holds energy. When negative emotion, chaotic frequency or past intention gets trapped within this pattern, the crystal cannot absorb or emit properly. The energy becomes stuck inside, creating an energetic lock. Another reason is vibrational mismatch. When you grow spiritually, emotionally, or mentally, some crystals simply cannot hold your new frequency. This is a sign of your evolution, not the crystal's failure. Cleansing versus charging versus resetting. Cleansing removes unwanted energy. Charging restores the natural power and frequency. Resetting wipes old programming and returns the crystal to its original state. A crystal that has stopped working usually needs a full reset. Methods to reset crystals. Flowing water removes energy blockages from water-safe crystals. Dry sea salt or Himalayan salt pulls heavy vibrations out from the crystal's structure. Smoke from sage, incense, or Palo Santo dissolves old energetic residue. Sound therapy with singing bowls or tuning forks breaks stuck energy instantly. Burying a crystal in soil reconnects it to the earth and fully resets its vibration. Moonlight restores emotional clarity, while sunlight restores strength for light-safe crystals. Breath reset through focused exhalation pushes out stagnant energy. Pure intention alone can reprogram a crystal when done with full clarity. Reactivating the crystal after reset. After resetting, the crystal must be awakened. Hold it in your hands and breathe slowly. Feel its presence. Speak your intention clearly. Visualize the crystal filling with new purpose. Use the crystal immediately through touch, meditation, or wearing it to bond your energies again. Maintaining crystal energy. Cleanse your crystals consistently to prevent overload. Charge them after emotional days or intense experiences. Keep them away from negativity or chaotic energy fields. Store crystals in an aligned manner so their frequencies stay balanced. Care for your own energy through grounding and emotional release, because your vibration directly influences the crystal's stability. If the crystal still feels dead, some crystals require deeper methods. A 7-day earth burial resets the crystal to its most natural state. Fire and smoke purifying rituals remove ancient energetic residue. In rare cases, the crystal's purpose with you is complete. A crystal may disconnect once the phase of healing or learning it supported has ended. At this point, passing it on or returning it to the earth honors its journey. When you and the crystal outgrow each other, sometimes you evolve to a frequency the crystal cannot match. Sometimes the wound the crystal was supporting has healed. Sometimes you simply outgrow its vibration. This is natural spiritual progression, not failure. Crystals do not stop working because they are weak. They stop when their energetic system becomes overloaded, misaligned, blocked, or outdated. When you understand their energy and reset them with intention, any crystal can return to full power.